You scan a document, and then you spend more time fixing it than actually using it. You try to edit something, but nothing is selectable. You try to find one important point, and you end up scrolling endlessly. You zoom in, the text looks messy. You zoom out, everything looks cramped and useless. At that point, it doesn't even feel like a useful file. It just feels like a picture you'll never open again. And if you're a student, you already know this cycle. You scan notes thinking you'll revise later. You scan assignments to keep records. You scan whiteboard notes before they disappear. But later, when you actually need those files, they don't help you. Because you can't interact with them. You can't highlight properly. You can't edit mistakes. You can't even search for a keyword when you're in a hurry. So instead of saving time, it actually wastes your time. And I realized something simple. The problem isn't scanning. The problem is what happens after scanning. Because most apps stop at just capturing an image, but studying doesn't stop there. So I switched the way I handle my documents, and that completely changed how useful these files actually are. Now, instead of just scanning and forgetting, I can actually use everything I scan. Let me show you what I mean with real examples. Take a normal book page. Usually, when you scan it, the edges aren't perfect. Sometimes the lighting affects the clarity. The text looks okay, but not clean enough to read comfortably for long. But here, when I scan the same page, it automatically detects the edges properly, removes unnecessary background noise, and makes the text much sharper and easier to read. Now look at something like an assignment paper. In real life, it's never perfectly flat. There are folds, shadows, uneven lighting. Normally, that ruins the scan quality. But here, it adjusts everything automatically. The background becomes cleaner, the text becomes clearer, and the whole document looks structured instead of messy. Same with whiteboard notes or screen content. Usually, those come out blurry or uneven. But here, it captures them in a way that actually makes them readable later, which is what you need when you're revising. Even something like an ID card or certificate. Instead of manually adjusting it, it neatly crops it, aligns it, and gives you a clean output ready to use. So right from the scanning part itself, everything already feels more organized and usable. But the real difference starts after this. Because now, this is not just an image anymore. You can actually turn it into real text. That means you can select any part of the document, copy it wherever you want, and even edit it directly if needed. So instead of rewriting notes again and again, you can just scan once and make changes instantly. And this becomes even more useful during exams. Because instead of scrolling through pages trying to find one topic, you can just search it directly inside the document. That alone can save you a lot of time when you're revising under pressure. But it doesn't stop there. After scanning, you can actually work on the document like it's your own notes. You can highlight important lines while studying, mark key concepts so you don't forget them, and add comments wherever you need extra explanation. If there's a mistake in the document, you don't have to rewrite the whole thing again. You can just fix it directly. And if you need to take it further, you can convert the file into a Word document so you can edit it more deeply. You can combine multiple PDFs into one clean file, which is really helpful when you're submitting assignments. And if the file size is too big, you can compress it so it becomes easy to share. So instead of using different apps for different tasks, everything happens in one place. And that's what actually makes the difference. Because now your documents are not just stored, they're actually useful. Let's take a simple daily scenario. You attend a class and take notes.
Instead of leaving them in a notebook,
you scan them once. Now, while revising, you highlight the important parts directly in the file. Before exams, you don't go through everything again. You just focus on the highlighted sections. Or imagine you completed an assignment and noticed a mistake later. Normally, you'd rewrite the whole page, but now you just open the file, fix the mistake, and it's done. Or when you need to send documents to someone, instead of sending multiple messy files, you combine everything into one clean PDF and share it instantly. These small things don't seem big, but together they save a lot of time. And that's the main difference. Basic scanning apps are fine if all you want is to capture something quickly, but if you actually want to use your documents, organize them, edit them, and study from them, then you need more than just scanning. If you deal with PDFs regularly as a student, it's worth trying this once and seeing how it fits into your workflow. You'll notice the difference almost immediately, because once your documents become usable, everything becomes faster and easier. And instead of collecting PDFs you never open again, you actually start using them the way you're supposed to.